guys, it's Maria from PA Dance Network and Happy Healthy Whole Essential Oils. I hope that you're having a great day. We are here finishing up our last day of our Soul Star Yoga teacher training, and I wanted to share with you something really cool that just popped up, and I was like, hey, let me go live and share it. This is a way that we are ending our practice with our essential oils before the students go into Shavasana or to that corpse pose, that relaxation pose, and it involves our serenity oil and our lavender oil. So what we are doing, and this is something you can do at home, it's really fun and it's very comforting. I am going to just sort of bring my camera down here so you can see that I have my, I have my little, it's a wok, and it is full of some towels. I put several drops of the essential oils in some hot water, and I'm just placing the towels one at a time in the wok, okay? And then I am going to place the cover on. I hope that you can see that. I don't have my tripod right now because I'm teaching. I'm gonna just place the lid on, and I'm gonna let that steam up for a while. And then when the students come back in, they are going to lay down and they're going to have some nice aromatherapy towels for their forehead and for their feet, based in our lavender oil and our serenity oils. So I would love it if you could try that at home. If you have an electric wok, it works really good. It's funny because as I started doing these little self-care practices on myself, I stopped using my wok to cook in. I just started using it for my little foot baths and my little aromatherapy towels. Really nice for relieving stress. You could do any of the essential oils. I would not do the citrus oils in it, but any of the other essential oils I think would be really nice. You just want to be mindful of just putting, things on your feet, and any of the citrus oils I think would be too much. That would open the pores too much. So that's just our little daily diary tip for today. And I want to thank you for listening. I hope this inspires you, and give it a try. It feels really soothing, especially before bedtime or after a yoga practice. Have a great day, everyone. We'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.